So I mean, don't lose hopes, honestly.
So second time, when you applied for the appointment, you got it quickly, the same
Yes.
night. You got lucky.
Yeah, I got lucky. I mean, everything is about luck, right? Even with your college applications, you get in or not, it's on your luck.
That's true. Alright, so today's video is very critical, especially visa appointment नहीं मिल रहा है लोगों को. And I'm sitting here with some students where I want to know from your experience कि what can one do now? Because लोगों को admission आ गया है, visa appointment नहीं मिल रहा है. Any tips from your side could be helpful. So first, I think you both came 6 months back, right?
Yeah.
We came about 6 months back. Honestly, visa has been an issue because people pre-book their slots. But what you can actually do is, as soon as you get your admission, you try to book your visa slot. And if, say, you don't have a visa slot available, people do cancel their visa slots a lot. So every 1 hour, you just have to keep checking the VFS website and hopefully you get a slot there.
No, but like I want to know, when you got your admission, right? What was your first reaction after that? Like, कितने मतलब you knew कि visa slots नहीं मिल रहा है लोगों को.
So I knew that I just like I got my admission at night around 11 o'clock. I checked my mail and there was the admission.
And you
so,
couldn't sleep?
No. So the next thing I did was I opened my laptop and I went on the VFH site. And thankfully I got like an appointment for a month after that. So I booked the appointment as soon as possible.
You got on the first go.
Yeah, but it was for like after a month. So I got my admission in January and then I got my visa appointment in February. So I had to wait, but obviously I knew people who weren't able to get slots as soon as possible like I did. So they were constantly applying, they were constantly checking after every 1 hour to see if the slots are open. And a lot of people cancel their appointments. So there are slots that become vacant that you can apply for them.
Is it because you tried it in the night?
Yeah, I think that's a possibility that a few slots are open in the night or something like that. But yeah, I did like try after midnight, so I got a slot, I believe.
Okay. But this is surreal because currently people are not getting appointment at all. Like literally at all.
Honestly, just keep checking the site. As much as you see your phone, keep checking VFS का site. And hopefully मिल जाएगा, पर persistent रहो. That's the whole process. बस persistency.
You know, because of all of this, a lot of people lost their admission also because वो join नहीं कर पाए and then there was a last date of enrollment and they couldn't make it. और university ने फिर they didn't even defer the admission for a lot of people.
A lot of times this does happen with a lot of public universities as well. This happened with me in a semester previous to this because my APS certificate was not there. I didn't get the admission and then I had to come on the another semester. That's the summer semester that I came in.
So you applied it again?
Yeah, I did the whole process again. I applied to a lot of universities again. And as soon as I got my first admission, I didn't even wait to get all the admissions. As soon as I got my first admission, I went and I applied for the visa.
Right. What about you?
So I applied my visa through VFS Delhi, and my experience was a bit roller coaster because when I applied to visa, basically, apparently it's really hard to get visa when you are applying for Schengen. And in my case, when I applied, I got the slot. I added all the information needed to fix an appointment, but the catch here was that there was some issues with my APS. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So basically they have added the wrong passport number. So
Oh my God,
that
man.
had me miss my appointment, and I had to and I got 14 days. I got a 14 days delay for to apply for the visa, and after 14 days I reapplied, and then I got the visa eventually. But I would suggest you to keep track on the visa slots, as it's not easier to get a Schengen visa at all. And if we are talking about student visa, it's apparently hard, but just keep trying, I would say.
But I can't imagine that you had to lose one intake and then you had an admission. And how did you gather the courage कि यार मैं फिर से एक बार फिर से try करती हूँ?
Honestly, with me, I was very sure that I wanted to go only for a public university. Given the whole cost structure in mind and financing, public universities made the most sense for me. So I was very sure that I want to apply again. And given the fact that as soon as, say I was due to give my APS certificate to my previous university where I got an acceptance applications in September, my APA certificate was in my hand by October. So I was damn sure that okay, I have everything in hand. At this point of time, nothing is going to go wrong because everything is there in place. And I had summer intake courses. Application starts by October. So I started applying back in October, and I knew that it's going to happen. So sometimes, you have the gut feeling that, oh, it's going to happen, and you keep working towards it. So it did happen.
I mean, you may be emotionally and mentally strong, but there are a lot of people who had put in so much hard work to earn that admission, and due to unavailability of visa slots, they got impacted. What advice do you have for them?
Honestly, see, if you got in the first place previously, you have to have that a little bit of self-belief that you will get in again, because given the fact that you ticked all the boxes previously, you know that you're going to tick all those boxes again, and it's just a mere period of 6 months that is going to get deferred. When you see the bigger picture, 6 months don't really count a lot. I know it matters a lot, but honestly, like, keep yourself onto something, be busy. So what helped for me was I had a full-time job previously in India, so I knew those 6 months are not getting wasted. I am doing something in my life, so that's something that helps you keeping yourself persistent. So I mean, don't lose hopes, honestly.
So second time, when you applied for the appointment, you got it quickly, the same night.
Yes, I did.
Okay, you got lucky.
Yeah, I got lucky. Yeah, I mean, everything is about luck, right? You just get, even with your college applications, you get in or not, it's on your luck.
That's true. Okay.